Okay, so a lot of people don't move very quickly in this game because they waste so much time trying to figure things out. Luckily for you, you've invested in yourself and you've come to the right place. Now you need to make sure you use that. Okay, so we've laid out the content here and given you all the quick ways to try and just generate some activity, keep yourself accountable, motivate yourself, and focus on the core elements that are going to get some deals into your pipeline over the next 90 days as quick as possible. But what I don't want you to do is not use the Facebook group. The Facebook group is designed for questions and answers to be answered as quick as possible. Typically, we will respond within a few hours. Worst case scenario, 24 hours. But my team and I are in there all the time looking to respond to you guys and get help. If we don't respond, what's great about the tribe is there are other people who will be further ahead of you, will maybe have experienced things that you haven't already, and have maybe even had the answer from me already and will therefore share their knowledge. So if you've got questions that you need answering, put them in the Facebook group, okay? And you'll get a quicker response than going trying to hunt the solution down yourself. Because if you're going to do it that way, then you're just following the herd who want to try and, find all the free YouTube videos and find all, the free webinars, and they have to wait, and it's a very slow progression. We're moving quick here. The whole idea of this program is acquiring a lot of property as quick as we possibly can. That's what everyone in the network's for. That's what I try and, really do for you guys is get you moving quickly. I did it. A lot of my students have already done it, and you can do it too. But you've got to use the tools that are around you. So if you've got a question, ping it in the group, get your answer. Don't dilly-dally trying to find information. If you've got a question, it might relate to the course. There might be a certain element of the course that you've just missed. Ping it in, and I might just tag the link back in so you can get back in the course and watch the right video. But use the group. It's a time hack. It's designed in a way to accelerate your growth. It's designed in a way to accelerate your learning, and it's proven to get results. Use the Facebook group. I cannot stress that enough. It's going to save you a lot of time. So get after it, start posting in it, and start accelerating your journey.